While working in the housekeeping department, you need to do a physical check in the room. We do this to find out if the guest is still in the room, and also to make sure that the number of guests in the room match the number of the registered guest. It is a control check, and is also required to keep your hotel secure. In this video, I will show you how to take the discrepancy check of the room in your section. This video is made by clarifiedbetter.com, and in this channel, we make videos that can help people working in the hotels learn something quickly. Also, if you head over to our website, we have an academy with in-depth courses at academy.clarifiedbetter.com. There you can study many courses covering all departments for free and improve your knowledge. If you have still not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click the red button to subscribe. Remember to click the bell icon so that you can get updates when we post a new video. To begin a room check, you need to take the in-house guest report from the system. This room check is usually done 2 times a day, by 9 a.m. and around 6 p.m. The purpose of this check is to make sure that the guests are still in the room, and the correct number is staying in the room. Knock on the guest door, and when the guest opens the door, wish the guest.
Good morning, sir. I am Jay from housekeeping. When would you like the room to be serviced?
Can you come at 11:30?
Sure, sir. Do you have any clothes for laundry service?
No, not today.
Thank you and have a nice day.
Enter the status in the occupancy report. If there is no response from the room, open the room with the master key after ringing the bell 3 times. While speaking to the guest, or checking the room, you can make out the number of occupants, by physical indicators like the number of bags, shoes, etc. Complete this report for your section and hand it over to the housekeeping desk. They will compile this report for the entire hotel and send the report to the housekeeping and front office manager. If the front office system shows the room is occupied, but there are no bags in the room, it is called a skipper. Your hotel may have a policy on how to deal with it. Ask your front office manager what they do with this report and keep learning. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Also do write in the comments if you do something differently in your hotel. Also do remember to visit our website clarifiedbetter.com to keep learning. See you in the next video.